Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 2. Today is our English class. Now dear students, open your books. Previously we have learned the lesson unit number 1. Now we can start unit number 2. Unit number 2 is, the name of the unit is Abu Ali counts his donkeys. Now come on the page number 20. Let's have a reading. One day Abu Ali went to the fair. He bought 9 donkeys. He rode on one of them. The other donkeys walked behind him. After a while Abu thought, are all my donkeys here? And he turned around to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what's number 9? Abu said. He jumped down and stood near his donkey. He looked behind the rocks, he looked behind the trees, but there was no donkey there. I should count them again, Abu said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, he must have come back. So Abu climbed back onto the donkey. He rode away. After a while, he counted his donkeys. He saw only 8. He got down again. He looked behind the rocks. He looked behind the trees, but there was no donkey there. Now come on the page 21. I will count them again, he thought, and now he counted 9 donkeys. Just then Abu saw his friend Musa. Musa, he called, help me to count me my donkeys, please. When I stop to count, I have only 8. When I get down to look for the 9th, there he is again. Well, I can see 10 donkeys. Abu laughed. Musa, 10? How can you see 10? Asked Abu. You are sitting on one, and there are 8 donkeys behind you, said Musa. Of course, said Abu. How silly of me. But where is the 10th donkey? He is sitting on top of the first donkey, said Musa, and his name is Abu Ali. This is a short funny story about Abu Ali who did not able to count his donkeys correctly. One day Abu Ali went to a fair and bought 9 donkeys. He rode on one of them and the rest of them followed him. After a while, Abu Ali thought that he should count his donkeys. He turned around to count his donkeys, but he jumped down from his donkey and looked behind the rocks and trees, but could not see 9th donkey anywhere. He started counting them again and counted the 9th one also. Abu Ali climbed back into the donkey. After a while, he counted his 8 donkeys only, and he could not find the 9th donkey. When he again counted, there were 9 donkeys. At that time, Abu saw his friend Musa. He asked for Musa's help to count his donkeys. Musa replied that he saw 10 donkeys. There were 9 donkeys, and one was sitting on the first donkey, and that was Abu Ali. ये मज़ाहिया कहानी अबू अली के बारे में है जो अपने गधों को ठीक तरह से नहीं गिनता। एक दिन अबू अली मेले में गया और उसने 9 गधे ख़रीदे। वो इनमें से एक पर सवार हुआ और बाकी इसके पीछे आने लगे। थोड़ी देर बाद अबू अली ने सोचा कि इसे अपने गधे गिनने चाहिए। वो अपने गधे गिनने के लिए वापस मुड़ा, लेकिन 9वां गधा गायब था। इसने गधे के ऊपर से छलांग लगाई और दरख्तों और चट्टानों के पीछे देखा, लेकिन उसको गधा कहीं नज़र ना आया। इसने गधों को दोबारा गिनना शुरू किया और 9वां गधा भी मौजूद था। अबू अली दोबारा गधे पर सवार हुआ और कुछ देर बाद इसने दोबारा अपने 9 गधे गिने और उसे 9वां गधा कहीं नज़र नहीं आया। जब इसने दोबारा गिने तो 9 गधे थे। इसी वक्त उसे अपना दोस्त मूसा नज़र आया। उसने मूसा से मदद मांगी कि उसे गधों को गिनने में मदद दे। मूसा ने जवाब दिया कि उसने 10 गधे देखे हैं। इसने कहा यहाँ 9 गधे हैं और एक गधा पहले गधे पर बैठा है जो कि अबू अली है। Now dear students, you can better understand the story. Now I will tell you the meanings of difficult words. Bought, purchased, thought, pondered, turned, revolved, jumped, bounced, counted, added up, looked, saw. bought, purchased, thought, pondered, turned, revolved, jumped, bounced, counted, added up, looked, saw. Now come on the word sentences. Bought, he bought 9 donkeys. Thought, he thought of a plan. Jumped, he jumped. Counted, he counted his donkeys. Looked, he looked behind the rocks. Now come on the question answers. Did Abu understand his mistake? How do you know? Yes, Abu understood his mistake because he did not count the donkeys. Did Abu understand his mistake? How do you know? Yes, Abu understood his mistake because he did not count the donkeys. Have you ever made the kind of mistake that Abu made? No, I have never made that kind of mistake. Have you ever made the kind of mistake that Abu made? No, I have never made that kind of mistake. Now come on the page number 21. We do the exercise. True or false? Put a tick or a cross against each statement. The first one has been done for you. Abu Ali bought 10 donkeys. It is a false statement. Abu rode one of the donkeys. It is true. Then you put a tick in the relevant box. Abu wanted to hide the donkeys. It is a false statement. You put a cross. He counted one donkey less. Put a tick. He asked his friend Musa to help them. Put a tick. It is a true statement. Musa thought that Abu was clever. It is a false statement. Put a cross on the relevant box. Now come on the page number 22. Complete the word using the clues given. Move with both your foot in the air. You write down U-M. The word made is jump. J-U-M-P. Find out how many there are. Count. C-O-U-N-T. Get on top. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Foolish. S-I-L-L-Y. Silly. An animal with long ears. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Now dear students, this is the end of your lesson. Write down the words meaning, word sentences of this unit and also the question answers on your notebooks. Read them and also learn by heart. If there is any confusion, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself.